Need to verify your Edupro certificate? Here's a quick and simple step-by-step guide to help you do it in seconds. First, go to eduprouk.com/verification. You'll see a simple form where you need to enter two details: your learner number and your date of birth. Start by entering your learner number, which is provided on your Edupro certificate. Next, enter your date of birth in the correct format: year, month, day. Once both fields are filled, click on the Verify button. If your details are correct, your certificate information will appear instantly on the screen. If you face any issues, you can contact Edupro support at service@eduprouk.com. Fast, secure, and reliable. That's how Edupro ensures your achievements are verified. Try it now